Hey guys, welcome to another product showcase video. Today's product comes to us from a company called USB-Brando, and this is their dual solar charging DV-T90 Plus digital video camcorder. Okay, let's have a look at the box itself. You can see a picture of the camera as well as the dual solar panels that are on it for recharging the lithium battery in it. Information on the front about digital still camcorder, max 12 megapixel, 8x digital zoom, 3-inch screen, dual solar panel charging, as well as some other information about the unit itself, TV out, lithium-ion battery, 12.0 megapixel. Let's have a look at the back side of the box and look at the specifications. Okay, on the back we have specifications. There's quite a few of them here, so I'm going to list them fairly quickly. The sensor is interpolation up to 12 megapixel. Operating modes are movie record, picture record, voice record, PC camera, mass storage device. Image file format is JPG. Image resolution VGA 1.3 meg, 2 meg, 3 meg, 5 meg, and 12 meg interpolation. Image quality is super, fine, and normal. Movie file format is AVI. Movie resolutions are 720 by 480, 640 by 480, 320 by 240. Frame rate is 30 frames per second. External memory, it supports a SD card, maximum up to 32 gigabits. LCD display, 3.0 inch, lens, fixed focus, 2-step, focus, normal 120 millimeter, infinity, macro 350 to 400, digital zoom 8x, TV out, USB 2.0, self-timer, 5 or 10 second delay. Battery is NP-40 lithium battery, or it will also run on 4 AAA batteries. Special features, dual solar panel charging. Dimensions are 113 by 46 by 53, and the approximate weight is 305 grams. So that's a lot of specs. Wonderful looking package with several pictures of the unit itself from different angles. Let's pop open the box and see what all it comes with. Okay, inside the box they give you a lot of different accessories with it. Get the camera itself, of course. This is their battery charger for your lithium battery with a fold-out AC plug, so it can plug right into the wall. They give you a lithium-ion rechargeable battery with it to start you out. A mini install CD that has the drivers and software you need for your camera, Windows 2000, ME, XP, Vista. They give you the USB cable to connect it to your computer, as well as the connections you need to plug it into your TV set itself. Comes with a very nice user manual. It's a multilingual manual. Has all kinds of information about the different settings, how to do different stuff with the camera as far as installing your batteries, all that kind of thing. And they also include this very nice felt carrying pouch for it. It's a little cinch bag that you can put your camera in and take it with you when you're traveling to keep it from getting scratched. So let's have a closer look at the camera itself. Okay, one of the first things you'll notice is the beautiful shiny black finish on it, as well as the colorful stickers that they put on it that include some of the information about it, your zoom features, solar energy, the megapixel of the camera. It has a fold-out lens. This lens will rotate. You can rotate it upwards to view it from your waist level. You could rotate it downward for maybe if you're filming something on your desk or something and you want to get a close-up on it. Otherwise you can rotate it all the way around. if you wanted to film yourself and be able to see what you're actually filming on the screen. This is the flip-up solar panel for it. As you can see, there are two different solar panels. Nice advantage to these if you're on a picnic or doing something outside. Basically any light source, even an interior light, will charge the lithium-ion batteries. But of course, the stronger the light source, the quicker it'll charge. But if you're out for the day on the lake or at a picnic or doing whatever outside, and you're worried about your batteries going dead while you're eating or doing other things, you can simply pop this open and let it charge your batteries for you while you're doing your other activities to make sure your batteries don't go dead on you. This is the slot here for your SD memory card. Very easily accessible. Has a nice light feel to it. Comes with a hand grip, so you can hold on to it with one hand. All your features are on the top itself. Your different buttons for starting, stopping, I believe your zoom in buttons, recording buttons. They have a few on the back here for doing different settings on the camera itself, depending on what type of recording you're going to do. So basically you set up the camera to whatever it is you want to record, whether it's snapshots, movies, what have you, and then the controls on the top will take over and you can actually take your pictures or do what you want with the buttons on the top. It does include a little rubber lens cap for it to help keep the lens from getting scratched or dirty. On the bottom of it you have the typical port for mounting it to a tripod, so you want to do still pictures or do video and you don't want it moving around, you can mount it onto a standard tripod. Very nice little camera. Very amazing that for as small as it is, all of the different features that it comes with. On the back itself is your connection for your USB, as well as your AV, your connector that you would hook up to your television set. So that's nice that they keep it right on the back there, so even if the camera is closed, you can run the cables to your computer or what have you. And under here, I believe, would be your battery spot. Yep. If you can make that out in the camera, you see how it's kind of curved here. So not only will it take the lithium-ion battery pack that it comes with, but you can also slide 4 AAA batteries in there and run them on that. So if you're ever concerned that you're going to do a lot of video shooting or picture taking and your battery might not be enough for you and you don't have a spare lithium-ion, you can pick up a set of regular alkaline batteries and run them in here too. So if you're at a wedding or something like that and going to be taking a lot of video and you don't want to run out of batteries, it's a once in a lifetime event, so you definitely want to capture it. But anyway, very nice camera. Does high definition, 720. I think we're going to try doing some videos with this one and have a look at what the video quality is. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I'll actually shoot one with this and we'll see how the video quality turns out. But anyway, this is from the USB-Brando company. We want to thank them for providing this, and this was their dual solar charging DV-T90 Plus digital video camcorder. We will leave links in the description for this item as well as their website itself, so you can read up on it and check out the other great items they provide also. So that'll be it for this product showcase. Thank you for watching.